Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch and unbox and just review and talk about the new Made in Color collection by Madam Glam. This collection is so cool. It actually contains two different types of products, but I'm going to focus on the gel polishes first and then do another separate video on 3 of the polygels that I received. So there are 6 polygels in this collection and 6 gel polishes, but of course first up are the gel polishes and I couldn't wait to try them out. So right before I actually did this entire video, like the recording session, I already applied 5 out of 6 colors to my nails. And yes, there is a video recorded on how I did that application as well. It will be uploaded a little later, but first up here you see a little overview of all of the colors. Just see me unbox them. I always really love the boxes that Madam Glam ships in, but first of all, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would do so. Help me achieve my goal for 2020. And as usual, I'm going to swatch all of the gel polishes on a little swatch stick or nail stick, however you want to call them, and cap them off with the No Wipe top coat by Madam Glam as well. So first up is Bend and Snap, and this one is just a gorgeous medium purple. I have already applied it to my short thumb and I just love it so much. It is so gorgeous. Of course, this whole collection is inspired by June Pride Month, and even though I am straight, I am so supportive of anyone, whatever your personal preference is in relationships. I simply feel like we should all live and let live and just love one another and actually respect one another as well. So yeah, that's just a little side note, but here you can see I have already applied the first layer of this one. I would really recommend that if you are going to apply these gel polishes to your natural nails or even like an acrylic nail or anything like that, to apply a base coat first and to apply 2 coats in total. I've done that to my own natural short nails at the moment as well, and it just gives the most beautiful opaque result. So 2 coats for each of these polishes is good enough. Super opaque, super sparkly, just stunning. As a big glitter lover, I just highly recommend this collection because it's just so stunning. All of the colors are. The second one is called Burlesque, and this is one of those beautiful red colors that can go well with any skin tone. It doesn't matter. I'm like super pale and usually I feel like the really classic blue undertone reds suit me best, but this is one of those tones that actually suit anyone. I guarantee you. It's really gorgeous. It looks almost pink on camera, but that was just because my camera couldn't handle how bright of a red this actually is, and the sparkles just made my camera go a little weird as well. But it is one of those beautiful, I would say classic reds, to be honest, and I think I will have a lot of use out of this one, not only this time of year but also during the holiday season. Here in the Netherlands we have Sinterklaas, of course, and we also have Christmas, which both are like totally focused around red and gold and all that jazz, but this one is just really gorgeous with the small holographic glitter in there. Beautiful multicolored glitter in each and every single one of these polishes, and it's just a beautiful red. If you are a red loving guy or girl, definitely check this one out because it is very much opaque in just 2 thin coats. Then another one is definitely one of my favorites because it's orange, and you guys know I'm so Dutch. This one is called the Bee is Back. Let's just keep it like appropriate for everyone language wise, but this one is a really nice, very summery orange in my opinion. It isn't like a super hot orange like Bahama Mama is, which is one of the super neon colors that Madam Glam came out with a little earlier this year. I love that color though, it is so beautiful, but once again my camera can't handle that color and made it look a little pinkish for some reason. But fortunately this one was just a little less bright and in your face, still very much bright though in real life, but my camera was able to catch the color perfectly. It's just a beautiful orange, super sparkly. It has a little bit more of like a golden orange tinge to it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a very cute color and definitely one I will be using a lot, whether it's on top of the entire nail surface or just in nail art. I think it's a really nice color, and once again, I'm super Dutch, so I pretty much love this orange tone. The next one is a gorgeous yellow, and this one is kind of like those golden yellowies, like sunshine yellows, and this one is called Slay Every Day. Again, the shimmer is amazing in this one. I'm so obsessed with glittery gel polishes, and I really love the fact that these have more of like a finely milled glitter, because usually gel polishes, when there is like a collection with glitter gels, there are a lot of chunky glitters in there as well, which I feel like is not everyone's cup of tea. Like personally, I love it, but I really love the fact that this collection has more of like a finely milled glitter in it, which makes it even more sparkly, because there's like way more glitter in here compared to a chunky glitter polish. But yeah, I'm just kind of rambling right here. Here you can see what this color looks like with just 2 coats. Oh, and I got the shakes a little bit right there. And I actually applied this color to my middle finger. I was a little scared that it wouldn't be as opaque as the other colors. The same goes for the orange, by the way, but these actually do cover up pretty much perfectly opaque with just 2 layers. Usually like oranges and yellows can be a little hard to work with, or at least for companies harder to make opaque, like faster. Like, is that even a correct English sentence? I don't know. But yeah, yellows can be a little bit of a pain in the butt when it comes to opacity and stuff like that. But let's continue to this beautiful green one. Just look at the shimmer and glitter in this one. Again, so beautiful. This is one of those green tones. I actually have it on my ring fingernail at the moment. It actually has the same green tone that my job has, like the logo of the place where I work is like super green, and I actually wear a green shirt all day, every day. And you guys know me, especially if you've been hanging around here with me for a longer period of time, that green is not really my favorite color, but if it has some glitter in it, why not wear it? It matches my outfit at work. So yeah, that was this beautiful green tone. I am pretty much obsessed with it, but I have to say I'm pretty much obsessed with each and every single color from this collection. I still have to try out the polygels though, but I want to do that in a little bit. But let's continue to this 6th and final polish from this collection for as far as the gels go. This one is called No Hate, and it's just a beautiful royal blue, kind of like a sapphire blue, if you know what I mean. I think this is one of those colors that a lot of you will love, I'm sure about that. The only thing I did notice when I applied this to my pinky nail is that you do apply, how do you say that? Like there's a little bit much of polish onto the brush, because it is a glittery gel polish. They tend to be a little bit thicker. I did feel like this one was a little bit more thick compared to the other colors, so be careful when applying this one. Just apply thin layers at a time, cure that for 30 seconds in LED, and yeah, you're good to go. But that was just a little heads up I wanted to give you guys. For me personally, this one felt to be a little bit more thicker in substancy than the other 5 colors. That might just be me and sloppy application. That could be totally it. But yeah, this was already the entire unboxing swatch review video. Here is a little overview of all of the colors, the 6 gel polish colors. As I mentioned, there are 6 polygel colors as well, which are thermal, so they actually change depending on the temperature. But yeah, I pretty much love this collection. It is gorgeous. It is for Pride month, which is always in June, and yeah, I'm just pretty much obsessed. They are beautiful rainbow shades, and I'm really curious to hear what you guys think about this as well. Each of the bottles is $19.95 in dollars, but of course I do have a discount code that you can use. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'd love to see you in one of my next videos.